How's it going, everybody? I'm standing here at the end of our barn. This is where we let the cows out. It's pretty cold, so I'm keeping the door shut right now, but this door opens up, and that's where my dad's milking the cows right now. We open that door. We open that door where we can back the manure spreader in. We open this door, and the cows can go in and out of the to pasture. We also have cattle chute where we can work on their hooves and everything like that, and obviously you see the manure chute and all that fun stuff. So anyway, we had a light fixture, as you can see by that by that box there with the wires sticking out, which it is off right now. I have an electrical tester here. We had a light that was right there, and it didn't really shine that good. It really put out a lot of light, so when you're trying to work or do anything out here, it really wasn't that handy. So what I decided to do was, if you guys remember last summer, I put lights up in our shop, and it is very windy out today. And I really like those lights. So I ordered, as you see, we have a box of tools, supplies, and stuff like that. We also have here some lights from Hyperlite. This nice, beautiful light. There's two of them. There's another one down there. This beautiful light. Let me take this out here. All right, so we got this light here. Take it out of the box. Plastic off. You see you have the light fixture itself, LED. We also have this for this hanger, which this screws in the top. So you screw this in the top like so. There you go. And then this will hang like this. This also has a plug, and it has this safety cable that you wrap around. So if this ever came loose, whatever this is on ever came loose, you have this safety cable that it won't fall and smash on the ground. You have an Allen wrench that takes this screw out here, and then it'll hold it tight. So these lights would be really good in a shop that's got like a metal framing or something like that, the steel girders that you can just kind of set this on and they would shine down. This obviously has wood. You see I got a box mounted there, and I got a box mounted over there. I bought these L brackets that I'm gonna put up there and just tack it to the wood like that, and that way we'll, let's see, let me show you here. So take this L bracket, and I'm gonna lag it to the wood. We're gonna put this on there like so. And then we'll tighten this down, and it'll hold the light. So let's get going. Let's mount these. Let's make this, and by the time we get done, it should be nice and dark. So we'll fire up the lights, and put power back to that box, and there's a light switch in there. We'll turn it on and see how bright it is. All right, one light installed. Time to just do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll fire them up. All right, it is, you can see it is, let's turn this light off a second. It is dark, so all wired up. Let's go in and turn the lights on and see how it looks. All right, we are all set. Let's flick the light on and see. Wow, that's nice and bright. That's gonna be a lot nicer when we're working on a cow in the chute, or back in the manure spreader in. I don't want to hit the ramp or anything like that. So yeah, those are nice bright. Look, we already get the bugs going to it. Gotta love it. So yeah, I'm happy with that. That's gonna be a lot better. So anyway, guys, when we're putting the cows out at night in the summertime, that'll be good. Or when we're bringing them in the early morning, that'll be good. So yeah, good to get this area lit back up again. So that's a job well done. If you guys are interested in these lights, I'm going to leave the link in the description. So yeah, call that a success. I can't talk. Call it a success. Long day. Time to go get some dinner and call it a day. Anyway, thumbs up if you like this video. Drop me a question or comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thumbs up to you. I totally appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one, everybody.